Hello everyone and welcome to your channel IELTS Perfection. Today we are tackling a very common IELTS writing task 2 type, advantages and disadvantages. We will go through the structure step by step, the vocabularies you need for a Band 9 answer, strategies, and Band 9 model answers for each part. Let's get started. Step 1 is understanding the question. Let's have a look at this question.
Some people believe that advancements in technology have improved our quality of life. Others think these advancements have created problems. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
Okay, let's see what we understand from the question. Advancements in technology can be advantages. Problems is disadvantages. Discuss both, balance ideas, and give your opinion a clear thesis. These are exactly what the examiner is looking for. This is why reading the question carefully is a step 1. Before we write, we need to brainstorm ideas. You don't need to worry about perfect words yet. Just think. For example, for advantages, these could be the ideas: faster communication, better healthcare, access to education and information, and efficiency in work and business. Disadvantages, on the other hand, could be social isolation, job loss or automation, privacy concerns, and screen addiction. So now we have a clear idea map. Band 9 essays always start with controlled planning. Step 3 is deciding your opinion. This is simple. What do you think overall? You can simply state, personally, I believe advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Remember, IELTS doesn't reward extreme or unrealistic opinions. It rewards clear, justifiable positions. Step 4 is structuring the essay. Band 9 essays are predictable, not boring, just organized. One paragraph per main idea, clear introduction, strong conclusion. That's it. So, we will have an introduction paragraph, then we will have a body paragraph which include the advantages, then the second body paragraph which include the disadvantages, and the conclusion paragraph where our opinion is restated. Each paragraph develops one main idea fully. Don't mix points. Step 5. Writing the introduction. As you can notice, I have highlighted the different parts of the paragraph with a special color so that you can easily recognize what each sentence is exactly referring to. In the first sentence, we paraphrase the question, not a copy. In the second sentence, we show both views. And in the last sentence, we state our thesis and opinion. Clear, confident, and formal.
In recent decades, technological innovation has transformed nearly every aspect of modern life. While many argue that these developments have improved our quality of life, others believe they have created serious problems. This essay will discuss both views and explain why I believe the advantages outweigh the disadvantages.
Next step is writing the body paragraph 1. I have considered two main ideas for each paragraph, which is followed by an example and explanation. So the ideas are revolutionize communication and healthcare. The examples are video calls, social media, and treatment. And the explanation would be impact on relationship and business and life expectancy.
One of the most significant advantages of technological progress is the way it has revolutionized communication. Today, people can connect instantly across continents through video calls, messaging applications, and social media platforms. This has strengthened personal relationships and improved global business operations, making the world more interconnected than ever before. Moreover, Technology has improved healthcare by enabling earlier diagnosis and more effective treatment, ultimately enhancing life expectancy and overall well being.
Notice the link word moreover. Transition really matters in writing. Also, notice how examples explain the real world impact. Band 9 is about clarity and development, not just fancy words. Step 7 is writing body paragraph 2. Again, for this paragraph, I have considered two main ideas. And as you can see, there is an example and explanation for each. The ideas are social isolation and privacy issue. The examples are people's interaction and data collection. And the explanation would be impact on communications and relationships and personal security.
Despite these undeniable benefits, technological advancements have also created several challenges. Social isolation is one major concern. As people spend more time interacting through digital devices, face-to-face communication may decline, weakening personal relationships. Privacy issues are another problem. Companies often collect personal data without transparency, raising ethical concerns about surveillance and misuse.
And step 8 is writing the conclusion. Conclusion is simply thesis restated plus balanced closure. Try to keep it confident, clear, and formal. So, we will have three main parts for the conclusion: restatement, opinion, and final thought. For restatement, you can simply mention technology has both benefits and drawbacks. For the opinion part, you can say the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. And you could also mention that risks should be managed responsibly as your final thought.
In conclusion, while technology has introduced challenges such as social isolation and privacy concerns, its contributions to communication, healthcare, and efficiency far outweigh these drawbacks. Therefore, societies should focus on managing risks responsibly while continuing to embrace the benefits of technological progress.
Okay, now let's see why this essay is band 9. The essay is addressing both sides plus opinion. That is our task response. Also, it has a smooth flow and good linking. That is our coherence and cohesion. We have used precise academic vocabulary that covers our lexical resource. We have used mix of simple plus complex structures. That is our grammar. And we have developed ideas fully: point, example, and explanation. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next video.